Hey YouTube, in today's video I'm going to show you all how I make baked spaghetti. Guys, this pasta recipe is so good and my family love it. So if you want to see how I make it, keep watching. Hey guys, in my casserole dish here, my sprayed casserole dish here, I am now going in with some meat sauce. And guys, this is a very chunky meat sauce that I made up, and I didn't show you guys how I made it because I already have a video up on it. And I'll put the link right here to where you guys can go on over and check out on how I make my meat sauce, because I do it the same way every single time. Okay, so I'm going ahead and put that layer of meat sauce in there, and then I'm gonna go in with my spaghetti that I parboiled, meaning I did not boil it all the way, and I didn't boil it all the way because it's gonna continue to cook in the oven from the meat sauce that it's on top of. Okay, and then it's gonna be meat sauce through the cheese and all of that. But basically guys, the meat sauce is gonna finish cooking those noodles. So now I'm going on with some cheese, and this is a 3 cheese blend that I mixed up that I always use, and it's mozzarella, Italian blend, and also Fiesta blend. So yeah, I just went on with that. So now I'm going on with another layer of that meat sauce, and it's pretty much the same, guys. Meat sauce, spaghetti, cheese, meat sauce, spaghetti, cheese. Okay, just like that. So first I want to say real quick, guys, welcome to all of my new subscribers. Guys, welcome to my channel. And for those of you that are watching that haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. Okay, so now I'm going on with the last layer of my spaghetti sauce here. And yeah, guys, I had some extra left over. That's why this was as thick as it was, because we got enough to last us at least a good week. Okay, and if you don't eat it all at once, guys, you can freeze this. Okay, this is great to put in the freezer, and it'll be good in the freezer up to 3 months. Okay, so just the FYI for you guys. So now we're going on with the last of that cheese, and then we're going to get this into the oven. I have my oven set to 375, and we're going to bake that until the cheese is nice and golden brown, uncovered. And then once you see that, guys, go ahead and cover it and bake it another 10 minutes until it is nice and bubbly. And it's pretty much going to look like this right here. So I went on ahead, took this out, and I let it set for a bit before I started to put plates together. So at that time, guys, I was just making up our salad and our garlic bread to go with. So you guys see a piece is already missing. I went on ahead and gave Kiwanna his plate. And you guys know how picky Kiwanna is. That boy is super picky, but when he know that I'm making this, guys, he is all for it. Okay, he just loves spaghetti, especially when I make this with that cheese up in there. So yeah, guys, I'm going ahead, put you a plate together and just give this a try. So that's pretty much it, just showing you how I make my oven baked spaghetti. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, support my channel by subscribing, and until next time, you guys take care. Bye.